Good morning, friends. Let's make some breakfast. A good old grandpa breakfast. Easy does it. This morning, I want to make a real easy omelet for all you grandpas and people out there that think cooking is hard. It's easy. All you need is the ingredients, a stove, and a little bit of smarts and common sense. I don't know. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start off here with a little bit of extra virgin oil just to get things going. All right. Put that down there. Move it around the pan a little bit. Got my spatula. Got all my mixing things, all my spices, and let's get going. Like I said, we got our pan with some extra virgin oil on there. We're going to turn this up to, about 5 or 6 just to get it heated up. Knocked my spatula over. Anyway, we'll do that. Okay, what we have here is some hash browns with onions and peppers. Very easy. We don't need that many because it's an omelet for one, not a whole family. And then we've got some peppers and onion blend, which I like because I'm a pepper and onion guy. So we put a few extra pieces of pepper and onion in there just to spice it up a little bit. So there's 2 of your ingredients. And then what we're going to do is get that going. Whoops, 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 whoops. Don't mind the collateral damage, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing to see, nothing to see. Anyway, we're going to get this going, and I'll be back in a minute to show you what we do next. Peace. So we got it going now. What we're going to do is add a little bit of salt, not too much. Don't overdo it. And some garlic powder. I love garlic. And it's so good for you, especially when you get older. I don't know why. They say everything's better for you when you get older. Anyway, and a little bit of pepper. And don't worry, when you put your scrambled eggs in there, it'll all mix up and it'll be oh so good. All right, so let's keep that going, keep that mixing, moving it around, and it's going to start sizzling here. Once it starts sizzling, ooh, the smell and the flavors and the whole thing just makes you want to eat it all up. All right, next. So as I do, as we all do, I want some cheese in my omelet. So I got one ready. It thaws out, melts much quicker. Got my sour cream. Got my guacamole restaurant style. This stuff is so good. And well, you know, sour cream. They say it's not good for you, but it is. It's all good for you if you're happy. And at my age, being a good meal it's really pure bliss. It really is. I love a good meal. I love cooking. Oh, I just wish I had more people to cook for. Anybody want to come and eat with me? You call me, I'll make an extra omelet for you. So my mom was a good cook. And man, she could cook up stuff. And I used to sit around and watch her. And a lot of women in my family used to come and visit her while she was cooking so they could learn how to make some really good stuff. And a baker, she was a great baker. Oh my goodness, she could make anything. And just so delicious. Okay, we got this going. We need to let them sweat a little bit more. Sweating food sounds a little bit gross. So I just say kind of like clear through, you know. It cooks and it gets like transparent. Anyway, we're almost there, folks. We're almost there. If you have all your ingredients ready, it doesn't take very long at all to get it all ready to go. And then you just throw it all together, put it on a plate, and whomp, she gone. We got the vegetables going. Oh man, looks and smells so good. Okay, so we have the other stuff, the vegetables, set to the side. And this is going to be a 3-egg omelet. So we do this real quick and get the eggs in there. Remember, we already seasoned the vegetables that we were sauteing, okay? So don't forget that. Let me grab a fork. 1, 2, 3, fork. Okay, so we get this going, and of course our omelet has to be fluffy, so we put a little bit of leche to make it fluffy. Oh man, get that going. Put our stuff back on the stove here. Oh yeah, almost there, almost there. And so here we go. Oh yeah, put the scrambled eggs in there. Get all the vegetables wound up and excited so they'll meld to one another. Oh yeah, looking good, man, looking good. Put the top back on this. Milk, pop it back into the refrigerator. And now we keep an eye on this baby. Yeah. Now what I like to do is use a rubber spatula around the edges. And if you have a really good egg pan, breakfast egg pan, nothing's going to stick too bad. And if it does, well, that's all right. You can turn your omelet into a scrambled mess breakfast. We get it going to the side. Almost done. Now, a lot of people think you have to flip it and flop it and do all of that. If you just leave it cook, it's not going to burn if you have your heat at a normal, regular height. You know, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so it just about cooks itself, and you just turn your heat down. It's all about patience. So we got our cheese. I go boom, just like magic. Put one slice there. One slice there. Pop it over, just like that. Move it to the middle. Oh man, you should smell this. And then, because I'm a guacamole guy and I'm trying to eat more healthy, trying to get as much vegetables as I can in there and everything, and avocado is a superfood, and cream cheese just tastes delicious, man. So I put a little bit of each on my omelet, and boy oh boy, boy oh boy. And now all we do is plate that sucker, and there you go. Not bad, eh? Pretty good. And I will take my time eating this. Always savor your food. Eat it slow. Enjoy every bite. My mom taught me that. I keep bragging on my mom, but boy, she was something else. All our moms. Fantastic. Let's get it to the table and taste it. Ooh, the crowd says. Well, here I am. There it is. I'm gonna eat it. I hope you guys have a wonderful breakfast, a great day. Hug everybody that you can. Be kind. Spread the love. You know, all those other things. Have a great Friday. It's going to be a good weekend. I love you guys. Peace out. Oh. Okay, let's see. It's I'm nervous. It's like a first date. Well, if it's going to be a first date and this goes any further than this, I can't let you watch anymore. I'll be right with you, sweetheart.